This is Danny. Danny's going to demonstrate 2 sets of cough assist. Right now he's breathing on his nasal interface. He's got nasal prongs with his ventilator. I'm just going to remove that, take it off of his nose, and put on the full face mask from his cough assist. The cough assist is set on automatic, so it automatically delivers breaths. The inhale is set at, you could set your settings for inhale and exhale. The setting is approximately 2 seconds for inhale, 1.5 seconds for exhale, and a very short pause in between breaths. And when Danny's doing his cough assist, I look for a couple of things. 1, his facial expression, how he is. 2, his pulse oximeter is reading a 98 oxygen saturation. And I look at chest expansion, how is he breathing and how is his chest expanding. Danny gets excellent chest expansion with his cough assist. So this exercise right now is not so much for moving mucus and secretions because he doesn't have many, but right now it's for chest expansion and for lung expansion to stretch his lung tissues. The inhale is set at between 40 and 50. The inhale pressure, the exhale pressure is the same. I put his nasal interface back on. He's back on his ventilator. And I always suction for any secretions that move. He does this approximately 2 or 3 times for one session. I'll do 2. Actually, it's 3 or 4 times for lung expansion and for exercise, approximately 4 times a day. Danny started using his cough assist when he was a baby, before he was a year old. Now Danny's 13 years old. His chest is quite big. So it's in proportion with the rest of his body. Danny has a good chest expansion and good air going in his lungs. And that is a short demonstration of Danny's cough assist. Thanks, Danny.